So when cash prizes are involved, there's always a chance people will want to take advantage, and you can start getting calls from people saying that you won the lottery, but do not give them your personal information to cash in. They may be asking for that.
KCRA 3 investigates. Brittany Johnson joins us live now from the newsroom. She has some information on what you need to know so that you don't get scammed. Brittany?
That's right, and we all know anyone can be a target, so we need to pay close attention to this information because scamming techniques have amplified, according to the Federal Bureau of Investigation. The FBI says scammers are reaching people via text message, email, phone call, even attempting to be a representative of your bank or other financial institution or entity, even posing as a family member. All of this in an attempt to get your money. So bottom line, if the offer sounds too good to be true, it probably is, so just hang up.
These people are using scare tactics. They really want you to respond quickly and not think about it. They want you to respond emotionally to these kind of things, because the more they can get you to do that and the less they can get you to think, then the more chance they have of getting money out of you.
And here's how to protect yourself. Never answer calls without caller ID information. If you do answer the call and believe the call is a scam, request to call the caller back at their number. Doing this is the easiest way to identify if the caller is calling from a spoof number, because if you call it back and the same caller does not answer, you know the call was fake. Also, never give out your personal information on the phone, and never give remote computer access to the caller. Now, here's what you can do. Report any suspicious calls to the FBI Internet Crimes Complaint Center website. It has information that you need to stay safe and provides a quick means of reporting alleged fraud, even if a financial loss was not experienced. That website is www.ic3.gov. We will have the information and other materials from the FBI on our website, kcra.com. Just click on the story when it goes live. Reporting live in the newsroom, Brittany Johnson, KCRA 3 News.